Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the no arms on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to select this shirt on first and I'm just going to color it. You can use any color that you want. Then I'm just going to select this other shirt here, and as you can see it works. The legs one require VIP, but I'm not sure. I think they fixed the glitch so it doesn't work anymore. It used to be this dress, but you can just still go with the no arms one. I'll hopefully find another glitch for it. It should be this one, but I think they fixed it. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. This is the no arms one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.